Hey lovely people, welcome back once again to another exciting episode of Stitches with Collection. I'm Miss Stitches. Today in this video I'm going to share with you how to make this beautiful and easy designed handmade beaded bags. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Let's get started. Materials needed. So you cut your fish line, you make sure it's long enough. You cut it off and are using 0.60 mm. You make sure you have the ends of the fish line. You pick 4 beads. Fix on any side of the fish line, being at the right side or the left side. Fix all 4 beads. And then you cross with the 4th bead using the other side of the fish line. Make sure you have the ends. So one side will be longer than the other, you pull it out, and then you have your first ring done. Going on, you pick 3 beads, fix one on the left fish line, fix one on the right fish line, and then you cross with the 3rd bead using both fish lines. You still make sure you have the ends, you pull it out, and then you have your 2nd ring done. You pick 3 beads again, fix one on each fish line, cross with the 3rd bead using both fish lines. You pull it out, and then you have your 3rd ring done. So you are going to weave on with the same method until you have 9 rings in all, and I'm going to do that off camera. So we have 8 now, and then with the 9th part on this fish line, you fix 3 beads, cross with the 3rd bead using the other side of the fish line. You pull it out to have the fish line turned like this. So we have 9 now, and then on this fish line, you fix 3 beads again, cross with the 3rd bead using the other side of the fish line. You pull it out, so you have the fish line turned for you to weave to the other end. Then with the right fish line, you go through the next 1 bead. Then you fix 2 beads again on the left fish line, cross with the 2nd bead using the right fish line. You pull it out. Then with the right fish line, you go through the next 1 bead. Fix 2 beads again on the left fish line, cross with the 2nd bead using the right fish line. You pull it out, and then you weave on with the same method so you get to the last end. So when you get to the last end with the right fish line, you go through the last bead here. Then on this fish line, you fix 2 beads, cross with the 2nd bead using the other side of the fish line. You pull it out. You have it like this. Then on this fish line, the outer fish line, you fix 3 beads again, cross with the 3rd bead using the other side of the fish line. You pull it out. Then with the right fish line, you go through the next 1 bead. Then you fix 2 beads again on the left fish line, cross with the 2nd bead using the right fish line. You pull it out. Then you go through the next 1 bead. So we are going to weave on from here to this end with the same method, and I'm going to do that off camera. So this is what you should have, and we have the mat forming up. So we need 6 of this, then we have 3, so I'm going to add 3 more to make it 6, and I'm going to do that off camera using the same method. So this is what you should have. We have the mat now, and it's 9:6, and now I'm going to weave around it to form the sides of the bag. So with a new fish line, you go through this first bead here, go through this first bead, you pull it out. Then on this fish line, the outer fish line, you fix 3 beads, cross with the 3rd bead using the other side of the fish line. You make sure you have the ends of the fish line, you pull it out. So one side will be longer than the other. Then with the right fish line, you go through the next one bead. Then you fix 2 beads again on the left fish line. Cross with the second bead using the right fish line, you pull it out. Then with the right fish line, you go through the next one bead. Fix 2 beads again on the left fish line. Cross with the second bead using the right fish line, you pull it out. Then you weave on with the same method till you get to the last end. So this is what you should get for this round. And then we are going to weave one more time. So we need 2 steps. We're going to weave one more time. I'm going to do that off camera. So we have it now. We have 2 steps on the side. This is what you should get all around. And I made the same thing offline, the same size, the same shape. That one also has 2 rounds on the side. Then we're going to join it together to form the full body of the bag. So I'm going to use this same fish line because it's long enough. So on this fish line, the outer fish line, you fix 1 bead. Then with that same fish line where you fix the bead, you go through the first bead on the other side of the bag. Then you pull it out. So you have the bead in the middle of both sides like this. Then you pick 1 bead again and cross with both sides of the fish line. You pull it out. Then with the right fish line, you go through the next bead. With the left fish line, you go through the next bead. Then you pick 1 bead again and cross with both sides of the fish line. You pull it out. Then with the right fish line, you go through the next 1 bead. With the left fish line, you go through the next 1 bead. Then you pick 1 bead again and cross with both sides of the fish line. You pull it out. Then you weave on with the same method till you get to the last end. So after you are done with the last one, you pass your excess fish line shoe to secure this part of the work, and I'm going to do that off camera. So this is what you should get after you are done passing your fish line shoe and joining the sides of the bag. And I'm going to pinch the sides to make a little design. So we have 5 here, and we are folding up this 3 sides. So you fold this 3, leaving 1 at the side. So it should be like this. Please watch carefully. It should look this way. So we are putting the fish lines through these 2 beads here. So with a new fish line, you go through this 1 bead here, this first bead, you pull it out. Then on any side of the fish line, but I'm using this fish line, you fix 1 bead. Then with that same fish line where you fix the bead, you go through this bead here, this first bead, you pull it out. Then you have the bead in the middle of both sides like this. Then you pick 1 bead again and cross with both sides of the fish line, you pull it out, and this is what you should get. So you pass your excess fish line through to secure this part of the work. Then you repeat the same thing on this side of the bag as well, and I'm going to do that off camera using the same method. So this is what you should get after you are done pinching the sides of the bag. And we have 4 at the top here. You should get 4 at the top of each side like this. And now we are going to fix a cover for the bag using the same matting method, and I'm going to do that off camera with the matting method. And we have our cover attached to the bag. So we have 7 here, and this side is 5. So you just have to count and then fix the 5 right in the middle of the bag. And after you're done, you can attach a magnetic lock to your bag. I have a video of how to attach it, so I'll drop the link below so you can watch and know how to attach it. So after you're done, we are going to fix our handle for the bag. By this time, I'm using this ring hook or hook ring, anyhow you call it. You just go through these 2 bits here. You just fix them on the sides like this. So this is what you should get. This is how you should fix the hook to your bag. And I made this handle off camera using the method of the matting. Like I have a video of how to make this handle. And then we have 22. I made 22 of it. We are going to attach it on this side. So boom, we have it nicely attached to our bag. This is how it should look, or this is how you should attach your handle to the bag. Then I fixed my magnetic lock to the bag. You just close it up and your things are very secured in the bag. So this is what we are doing for this cute handmade beaded bag. This bag is cute, like seriously, so cute. There's really something about these beads, like it always makes your bag so nice and beautiful, like it makes it classy. And because of the color, it's going to match any color of your outfit. You can make this in any color of your choice. Feel free to increase the size of the bag if you want it big. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more and more of my tutorials, make sure to comment and share as well. Stay safe. See you in my next video. Have a nice day and bye.